Namaste. What is the nature of our life? We know so many things, how hell looks, how the heaven looks, but we don't know about life. We have trillions of cells, and what happens if we die? Still, our cells are intact so that the hair is still growing for weeks. Yes, you have to shave a dead body again and again. But the body is dead. Life is on different levels. We have software like our thoughts, feeling, consciousness, soul, and the hardware is our body. If we go deeper, even a cell has consciousness so that it can make its work. It has a memory so it can rebuild itself. It has genes that give the cells its purpose. And without that, a cell can't work accordingly. But even more, the software is bigger than the hardware. And that is true also for the computer. The cell is energized, what we call life force. And that is proved by the Kirlian photography. After the definition, this is when we stop breathing or the heart stops beating. And our life energy is leaving the body. When an animal gets slaughtered, even after 2 hours, still there are some muscle spasms. This means the cells are still intact. Life comes in stages and death comes in stages. We have different energies and different levels of energy. If we pass by, the soul is leaving our body. But not all energy are leaving our energy. But not all energies are leaving our body. This is the reason why the soul is sticking close to the dead body until all of the energy has left the body. This can mean that the death needs up to 14 days. Some religions, like the Buddhism religion, have created for that long ceremonies until all of the energy has left the body. If we burn the body directly after the medical death, then the soul doesn't need to stick to the body anymore and is so free. And the people can accept much faster that the person is dead, because the body is burnt and all the energies have left the body. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.